and proper food, we become weak and unhealthy. And then we are do not able to do any type of work. So we need food to grow and get energy. So students, what is mean by food? Here one question is given. Why do we need food? Because we need food because to grow and to get energy. Then the next question is, what is diet? So what is mean by diet? Diet means the food consumed by a person daily. The food consists of rice, chapati, dal, curd, vegetables and papad. This variety of food stuff is called as balanced diet. Again, important concept is balanced diet. A diet which contains different types of food and that contains nutrients also. Means carbohydrate, proteins, fats, vitamins and water, minerals and water in a proportion to meet the requirement of the body is called a balanced diet. So children, today we are going to learn about staple food. So what is mean by staple food? Staple food means for staple food are food items. Here one dish is given, means perfect balanced diet picture is given here. So staple food, that word is also comes in chapter number 5. I think chapter number 5. Yes, staple food. Staple food are the food items that can be stored easily and eaten throughout the year. The term staple means common basis of the everyday life, everyday diet in a place. Means staple food means the food that is commonly used in everyday diet. So children, you can see the picture. In this picture, dal, rice, chapati, bhakri, chutney, papad, lemon, salt, then curd are seen in the picture. So it is a picture of balanced diet and it is also called a staple food because this type of diet is commonly used in everywhere. Children, you might have come across some more things in your home. These are the different food stuff. Let's see what different things we get from them. Means here are some different things are given: chiku, chili, jowar, radish, eggs, cloves, groundnuts, sesame, bajra, safflower, bitter gourd, milk, raw mango, black pepper, chicken, lemon, tamarind, then cucumber. Means different things that are in our home. So we what different things we get from them, means we have to find out that. So first here they had given milk, then chicken and egg. Milk, chicken and egg. So we get milk, chicken and egg from animals. So next they had given safflower, sesame and groundnuts. Safflower, sesame and groundnut. From this we get oil. We get oil from safflower, sesame and groundnuts. Then lemon, raw mangoes and tamarind. Lemon, raw mangoes and tamarind. We use lemon, raw mangoes and this tamarind to add sour taste to our food. Means for adding sour taste to our food, we use this lemon, raw mango and tamarind. Then cloves and black pepper. These things are two things are at our commonly used in our home: cloves and black peppers. Cloves means in Marathi it is called as lavang, and black pepper means mire. So student, we use these cloves and black peppers as spices in our food, means we use it is as spices. Next, cucumber and radish. We use this cucumber and radish in our diet as a salad. As we use cucumber and radish as a salad. Next is jawar, bajra. Then jawar and bajra. By using this jawar, bajra, wheat, we can use it as we get flour from jawar, bajra, wheat to make chapati and bhakri. Means we get flour from this jawar, bajra and wheat, and by using that flour we can make chapatis and bhakris. So we have variety in food stuff in our daily diet, but still there are different in people's their likes and dislike. Means the things, some things are like we like most and some things that we don't like. So we tend to eat the items we like again and again, and avoid eating those items which we don't like. We commonly do like this. We eat the items that we like, that we make again and again and eat that item, but we don't make the items that we don't like. So we avoid the eating of such a food items. So the most important thing is that to ensure that the food related needs of our body are all being made. Student, whether you like the food or not, you should be eat it in the smaller quantity, so that all the requirement of our body are to be made to make you healthy, fit and fine. You understand, student? Now remaining part of the lesson we will see in the next video. Okay student, stay home, stay safe.